DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV Ogbonge Pidgin English News for this week. Me we wan knack una the tori this week. Na una country brother again, Stanley Okocha. The name not dey change. Country people, this story when I want to na be wetin I know dey like. How can you make law? You will make the law, go see they break the law. We know say for this coronavirus, a big COVID-19 period, when we dey so, government don talk and say make we dey observe social distancing. Not be so they talk am, that's give gap. Me and you give gap. Anything we want do. How come be say the same government wan go carry policemen from police college, load them like sardine for trailer and buses? Abeg, show us the video.
This is the motto that is sent for Benue people. Can you imagine? This motto is sent for Benue people. After all the talk about social distance, these are the newly passed out police constable from Police College Oji River, and the trailer was sent to come and convey the men back to their commands, and the trailer was sent in this regard. You can see how the officers are standing, some are hanging on the roof of the vehicle from Benue State Command, whereas you can see their other counterparts from other colleges with other coastal buses sent from other police.
Country people, now see what I talk. It good when you make law, you go do example. As you do example, others will be your followers. They go follow you for the law. Now so it be. With this, now go take end our weekly Pidgin English news for this week. I beg you, if this one then be the first time when you take the watch our video like this, I beg, make you not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV, and make you hammer your hand for the notification button so that once we throw videos like this where concern our news, you go always the receiver. Now do well, Odabo, as you rabbi for the talker.
DJM TV.